Hello and welcome to How to Play Smart 4. The game is played with 1 or 2 players. To play, you will need the Smart 4 game. Thanks to Giiker for providing a copy of the game for this tutorial. The game can be played head-to-head with 2 players, or there is a robot mode for 1 player to play against the AI. The power button is held down to turn on the game, then the play mode is selected. There are 3 levels of difficulty in robot mode and the head-to-head mode. The object of the game is to link 4 of your pieces in a row. A row can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. During gameplay, pieces can be stacked up to 5 pieces high. This gives players the ability to win by linking 4 stacked pieces vertically, having 4 linked pieces stacked on the same level, or by linking 4 pieces on an upward angle like so. The game starts with the first player placing a piece on the board. The piece is pressed into the board when played, so the board knows where the pieces are. The player indicator will change on the board after each play. Players will continue to take turns playing pieces. Once a player gets 4 in a row, the board will light up to indicate where the winning pieces are connected. Black wins this game with 4 in a row on the 3rd level. When playing in robot mode, the player will always play first. The board will indicate where to place its piece by lighting up the triangle indicator row with the specific color space. In this gameplay, the real player is using the black pieces and the AI moves are marked with the white pieces. If you place a piece incorrectly, the board flashes to let you know. That wraps up How to Play Smart 4. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.